must be how the moon stabilizes itself. Some kind of gyroscopic system.
I want to explore the hollow moon idea, not to prove or disprove it, but to look at how strangely it aligns with the moon's own symbolism. Let's start with the claim that the moon is hollow. The moon has long been associated with the physical world, matter, and incarnation. If the moon were hollow or cavernous, it would mirror one of humanity's oldest ideas, that the body is a vessel containing a soul. Whether we call the body a prison, school, temple, or vehicle is a matter of perspective, but the symbolism remains the same. Something inner resides within something outer. Another claim is that the moon serves as a holding place for souls. Again, regardless of whether this is true, the symbolism is striking. The moon symbolizes the material, the densest of the bodies, the physical body in which houses our soul, and in esoteric doctrine can be understood to be a prison, school, or forge of sorts until the soul has met the requirements to exit. The moon has always been connected to embodiment, cycles, limitation, and the realm of becoming. A place where souls are temporarily housed fits surprisingly well within that symbolic framework. The moon is also said to be inhabited by hostile or parasitic intelligences. Many dismiss this because of the moral implications, but esoterically, evil does not simply mean cruelty. It refers to ignorance, unconsciousness, or separation from higher awareness. The entities described in these accounts often seem to embody exactly that condition, capable and intelligent, yet lacking the deeper principle that restrains harm and gives rise to wisdom. They appear as consciousness cut off from its own source. The relationship between the sun and moon deepens the symbolism further. The sun gives its light freely and unconditionally. It is the ancient symbol of consciousness, spirit, and divine awareness. The moon possesses no light of its own. It reflects what it receives. For this reason, it has long represented the subconscious mind, memory, instinct, and the world of forms. The supposed lunar entities are often described as beings of pure materiality. Symbolically, they are all moon and no sun. They possess intelligence, but not illumination, function, but not integration, awareness, but not wisdom. Then there is the eclipse. The fact that the moon appears almost perfectly sized to cover the sun is physically remarkable and symbolically breathtaking. During totality, the moon becomes a black circle surrounded by radiant light. It is one of the clearest images imaginable of light emerging from darkness, consciousness shining forth from the void, and the union of all opposites. This symbolism may even be reflected in Genesis. In the beginning, God hovered over the waters of the deep. In esoteric readings, those primordial waters represent the undifferentiated subconscious, matter before form, potential before manifestation. The sun, as a symbol of divine consciousness, moving over the lunar waters, creates a powerful symbolic parallel. Spirit descends upon matter. Consciousness illuminates the subconscious. Order emerges from chaos. Whether the hollow moon theory is true is almost secondary to me. What fascinates me is how perfectly the claims map onto the symbolic role the moon has played for thousands of years. The mystery is not solved by the symbolism. If anything, it becomes deeper. Anyway, these are some of the things I think about often. Thanks for listening.